Foxtrot 451, agent.
Victor Foxtrot 451, go ahead.
So, mate, we're following a motorcycle, registration 1 Bravo Oscar 403. We're currently westbound towards Freo, coming through O'Connor at the moment. I haven't got a street for you.
Roger, your class of vehicle and priority driver.
We are a Class 2 vehicle, priority 2 driver. Class 2 vehicle, priority 2 driver. I think it's Sanford Road we're on.
Yeah, say again the road.
Could have been Sanford or something similar. He's going left. He's going left.
Roger.
Street.
To left on Carrington Street. Roger, he's pulling up, is he?
The bike.
Roger, he's off the bike. All vehicles. Carrington Street, last location.
In the office now. Was that Federal Foot?
Not sure at this stage. Apparently the rider was off the bike. Victor Foxtrot 457. 452, was it?
Foxtrot 452, one in custody, all correct.
Roger, thanks. No damage?
Put his motorbike down, but yeah, no damage.
Roger, Roger.